Hi friends, welcome you all to Walk with Rajeshi once again, and today I am walking into the central of Stockholm and in the Kunstra Garden. And this is the month of November. It's just in a transition to be a winter from autumn, and this is a sunny day. I am exploring, and one of our family friend from Kolkata is here, and we are roaming around with him and exploring the central of Stockholm. Let's come and walk with me. When we are far away from our homeland and we are staying here, and just about it's been a few days also we are here and we are about to explore the place, and in the meantime my family friend come over here and visit us. It's just being a festive season all around the time, and we are just planned to meet in the Kunstra Garden and wanna just explore the place, the Nobel Prize Museum and the Gamla Stan and other thing what we can see here. So why not meet in the Kunstra Garden? And it's always been fun to roam around, and when the weather is sunny but little chilly today. So we are waiting for our friend, and let's see, he's here now. We started with a little stroll in the Kunstra Garden and we are walking towards the Gamla Stan. It was showing from Kunstra Garden to 12 minutes of a walk. So we are thinking of taking a walk, and the street and everywhere getting prepared for the Christmas time. So a lot of Christmas tree on the way. We can see little light up they are putting up. So I'm so excited because this is the first time winter I'm going to face it. I know I heard it's very hard winter out here, so I'm just waiting for it. Let's see how it will be. We are walking towards our destination, and we are all liking the vibe of the city with a lot of people. It's really excellent to have a walk like that. Autumn is already coming to its end, and this is the winter time. The snow, the cold, the chillness is going to come, so city is getting prepared for that. Lot of places are planning the ice skating and practicing for that. The people are just enjoying the sun because it's like after 7 days I can feel the sun out here, and this is a good vibe. So we went to the nearby cafe and sitting out there after a little stroll on the Kunstra Garden. We had our coffee and some nice pastry out there, and it was a nice feeling, and we had a good time, good talk. So before we head towards our long walk to the Nobel Prize Museum and the Gamla Stan, we are having a coffee time and a little talk and just getting the vibe of the place with the sun on our shoulder. Lot of people are roaming around the street here, and also in the cafe you can see lot of people are sitting on the sun as it's a good weather, as I said. And look at the yummy pastries. How can I stop myself not to have a cup of coffee and the pastry along with my friend? And as I'm a chatterbox, I talk all the time, so I'm just having a time of my day and talking along with them. And let's start walking towards my destination, and I hope to see you guys on my next video for the Nobel Prize Museum and a lot to explore. Let's walk along with me and stay tuned for more updates. Dun, dun, dun.